Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing a reversible, non-destructive path, an electronic exhaust note enhancer or inline resonator that mimics Flutter. Once chosen, mount the speaker module or resonator near the tailpipe access point. Make sure to use heat-resistant fittings. Route low-voltage wiring inside the trunk, avoiding heat and moving parts, and temporarily reconnect the battery to test power only. Do not run the engine yet. This preserves emissions equipment and keeps the mod street-friendly while beginning the audible Flutter process. Once the module is mounted, connect to a switch 12V source and a solid ground, adding a 510 inline fuse for safety. Then power the unit and use its controls to dial tone, pulse rate, and decay so the sound matches the intake/exhaust flutter you want at idle and low RPM. Make incremental changes. Listen at 1, 502, 500 RPM and tweak pulse width to avoid constant resonance. This gives a controllable, reversible flutter without removing emissions parts. Finish by securing wiring and heat shielding and rechecking fuse and ground integrity. Start the engine and confirm the enhancer activates only with ignition. If nothing plays, use a multimeter to check for switch 12V and continuity to the speaker, then inspect connectors. If you hear rattles, add foam isolators and reposition the module away from chassis contact. If the engine runs oddly, stop, remove the device, and retest the car stock. Don't drive with unresolved drivability changes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.